Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. It's general knowledge quiz time. Fewer than 1 in 20 get a perfect score. Beat the odds. Join the top 5%. Are you ready? Hit the like button. Let's begin. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 5. B. 7. C. 8. D. 6. Answer D. 6. What do you call a group of lions? A. Colony. B. Pride. C. Pack. D. Herd. Answer B. Pride. What is the plural of phenomenon? Answer D. Phenomena. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Answer B. Japan. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 10. C. 12. D. 8. Answer D. 8. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Vacuole. D. Mitochondria. Answer D. Mitochondria. What is the value of pi to 2 decimal places? A. 3.41. B. 3.16. C. 3.14. D. 3.12. Answer C. 3.14. Who was the first president of the United States? A. Thomas Jefferson. B. John Adams. C. Abraham Lincoln. D. George Washington. Answer D. George Washington. What is the synonym of benevolent? A. Kind. B. Cruel. C. Timid. D. Greedy. Answer A. Kind. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? A. Asia. B. South America. C. Africa. D. Australia. Answer C. Africa. The Berlin Wall fell in which year? A. 1989. B. 1987. C. 1991. D. 1985. Answer A. 1989. Which of the following is a conjunction? A. Slowly. B. Because. C. Happy. D. Jump. Answer: B. Because. What is 15% of 200? A. 25. B. 35. C. 30. D. 40. Answer: C. 30. Which country has the largest population in the world? A. China. B. India. C. USA. D. Russia. Answer: B. India. What is the square root of 144? A. 11. B. 14. C. 12. D. 13. Answer: C. 12. What is the antonym of verbose? A. Fluent. B. Concise. C. Talkative. D. Elaborate. Answer: B. Concise. What is the speed of light in a vacuum, approximately? A. 150,000 kilometers per second. B. 200,000 kilometers per second. C. 400,000 kilometers per second. D. 300,000 kilometers per second. Answer: D. 300,000 kilometers per second. What is the perimeter of a square with side length 7 centimeters? A. 14 centimeters. B. 21 centimeters. C. 28 centimeters. D. 49 centimeters. Answer: C. 28 centimeters. Which ocean is the largest? A. Indian. B. Arctic. C. Atlantic. D. Pacific. Answer: D. Pacific. Which element has the atomic number 1? A. Carbon. B. Helium. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. Answer: D. Hydrogen. The Titanic sank in which year? A. 1910. B. 1912. C. 1914. D. 1916. Answer: B. 1912. What is the capital of Japan? A. Kyoto. B. Osaka. C. Hiroshima. D. Tokyo. Answer: D. Tokyo. What literary device is used in The Wind Whispered Through the Trees? A. Metaphor. B. Personification. C. Simile. D. Alliteration. Answer: B. Personification. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? A. Argon. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Answer: C. Nitrogen. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? A. Theresa May. B. Margaret Thatcher. C. Queen Victoria. D. Angela Merkel. Answer: B. Margaret Thatcher. How long is an elephant's gestation period? A. 6 months. B. 12 months. C. 18 months. D. 22 months. Answer: D. 22 months. What is 2 to the power of 10? A. 512. B. 256. C. 1024. D. 2048. Answer: C. 1024. What is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. Liechtenstein. D. San Marino. Answer: B. Vatican City. Which of the following words is an adjective? A. Quickly. B. Happiness. C. Bright. D. Run. Answer: C. Bright. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 7. B. 9. C. 8. D. 10. Answer: C. 8. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Orca. C. Blue whale. D. Giraffe. Answer: C. Blue whale. What is the Roman numeral for 50? Answer: D. L. Which African country has the most pyramids? A. Egypt. B. Libya. C. Sudan. D. Ethiopia. Answer: C. Sudan. If 3x plus 6 equals 21, what is x? A. 3. B. 7. C. 9. D. 5. Answer: D. 5. In which year did World War II end? A. 1943. B. 1945. C. 1944. D. 1946. Answer: B. 1945. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Buzz Aldrin. C. Neil Armstrong. D. John Glenn. Answer: C. Neil Armstrong. If a triangle has angles of 60 degrees and 80 degrees, what is the third angle? A. 30 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 50 degrees. D. 40 degrees. Answer: D. 40 degrees. Mount Everest is on the border of which two countries? A. India and China. B. Nepal and China. C. Tibet and India. D. Nepal and India. Answer: B. Nepal and China. In which country did the French Revolution begin? A. England. B. Germany. C. France. D. Italy. Answer: C. France. What is the capital of Italy? A. Venice. B. Florence. C. Naples. D. Rome. Answer: D. Rome. Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.